Hello everyone, I'm Kim from Yesterday's Tomorrows, and let's make a cute Santa project today using little wood rounds and Fast and Final lightweight spackle. You're just going to need a piping bag and a 1M star tip, and you just pipe the lightweight spackle onto your wooden round, just like so. And you can make Santa's beard as big, as fluffy as you would like it. And then we're just going to take some diamond dust because we all know that Santa needs a sparkly beard for the holidays. So after you do that, we're going to get Santa's nose. So I just have a cute little red bell. You can get the little red bells anywhere. I think I purchased mine at Hobby Lobby. And you just glue it into the middle of your wooden round. And I got my wooden rounds at Hobby Lobby also. So you just glue it down. Now we're going to make a cute little hat for Santa. He needs a hat because it's cold up in the North Pole. All right, so this is one of those quarters that you get from Walmart. And then you just take your glue, and this is just buffalo check, red and black. And you just glue it on the very top right there. Be careful with your fingers. The glue is hot. All right, so glue it down and get it to stick. Now we're going to turn it over, put the glue on the back, and wrap the material right around the back, just as so. Just be careful that glue gets hot, guys. How many times did I burn my fingers on that? All right, so after you have the glue down, just like that, you're going to want to now take the glue and run it up the whole part of the material, so then you can put the backing together. There we go. Put the backing together just as so. And now we're going to finish off his hat. And then you just take it and you kind of twist it. Oh, wait, first we're going to glue the back. There we go. Glue the back down just like so. And then just take it and kind of mush it together, roll it with the glue. And so it makes sort of like a point at the top of the material. There we go. Now we're just going to take a green Christmas bell and we're going to attach it to the very top of Santa's hat. Hold on, we're waiting for the glue to set. And then we're going to take that part of Santa's hat and we are going to glue it to the side of the wooden round. So it looks like Santa's hat is hanging down a little bit. There we go. So we're just going to glue it down just like so. And then we are going to make Santa's whole face sparkle now. So what I'm going to take now is we are going to take a product that I like to use a lot, and it's called Pixie Spray. And it's a lightweight tack, water-based, and just spray it all over Santa's face. And you just take your diamond dust, which I have in a cheese grater right there. It's easier to use. And all the diamond dust will stick on Santa's nose and on his cheeks. And he's gonna look cute with sparkly nose and a sparkly cheek. There we go. I just need a little bit more. There we go. Never enough diamond dust, guys. Never enough. So we're just sprinkling it on. Just like so. And then you just get the excess off, just like that. Now we got to finish off Santa's top of his hat. All right, so I'm just taking more of the lightweight spackle. Make sure it's lightweight spackle, not the heavy spackle, lightweight spackle. You're not going to get the fluffiness that you're going to need for Santa's hat and his beard. There we go. We'll put the lightweight spackle down. And then we also, to that, of course, he needs some diamond dust on that also. So after I get it on, we are going to give it a little bit of diamond dust, sprinkle it on. Now the lightweight spackle's wet, so it'll stick right to the lightweight spackle. And there we go. What a cute little Santa from a wooden round. Merry Christmas, everyone. Have a wonderful, wonderful holiday.